So today is my birthday. Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today is my birthday. I was born on the 14th of June, and so today's my birthday and I'm ready to go out with my family to have a really nice dinner, just quality time. So I come to show you guys how I create this birthday look, and I really like it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media for outfits and on my Facebook like page. I'll put all the links in the description box. So I hope you guys have a blessed day, and if any of my subscribers who is born on the 13th of June, I wish you happy birthday and I wish you long life and prosperity. And yeah, so I hope you guys like the tutorial. Let's jump into the tutorial. Please sorry for the noise at the background if you guys can hear it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this orange here. This is the only shade that I'm going to take from this palette. I'm going to use this to transition. By the time that I upload this video, you guys, my birthday has already passed, but today is actually my official birthday. And I was born on the 13th of June 13th, so today is actually my birthday. So I'm just getting ready to go out with my family, and I really want to look good, so I decided to go for this gold shadow. Gold and green is one of my favorite colors. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going in with this palette. You guys know I'm going to take this color here, and I'm going to put it right underneath, like there, and I'm going to blend. And now we're going to take this shade here, I'm going to put it like right here and blend. I'm going in with this one. I'm going to press this right here. I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in Deep Gold and Espresso. Those are the two standing in front of me, so I'm just going to use them. I'm going to mix it a little bit with my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Sun Goddess. I'm just gonna pump that on my skin. And I'm going to pump the foundation on the brush. Concealer, I use C14 and C12 Makeup Revolution. I'm going to take a little bit of C16 to see if I can use that to contour my nose. I'm going to take the Essence Banana Powder. I'm going to use that to set. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to use this over cosmetic highlighter. I'm going to first take a little bit and put it like right here. So this is the iron results. This is the finished result. The reason why I didn't talk throughout the video is because the kids were making noise and I didn't want to disturb, to like shout at them, because today's my day. I didn't want anything to stress me out, so I just like, that's the reason why I didn't talk throughout the video. But I hope you guys like this tutorial. So I'm ready to go out now for dinner. I'll definitely post a picture on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page for full outfit. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video once more again. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Join me on my social medias. All the link will be down in the description box, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Dit is je girl Emmy. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal en op mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Dit is je girl Emmy. Doeg. Bye.